We are here with Master Rubin. As we mentioned in our earlier videos, Master is 10th Dan Black Belt, which is the highest level in martial arts, and he is entitled to wear his red belt, which he is wearing today. We have requested Master to show us very simple one-step self-defense techniques which any age group can do. Master, we came up with 5 possible attacks that could happen to anyone. Either someone tries to push you, someone tries to grab your hand or your arm, or someone tries to grab your shoulder or your collar.
Yeah.
Can you please show us simple one-step techniques to defend ourselves in these attacks?
Okay, sure.
Can I pretend to push you?
Yeah. Push me here, okay? Like that. Push me here, right? Now, if somebody push you like that, just slide it, okay? Don't go like this, okay? Just slide it from here. Now, this hand all the way here. Only one move, okay? Always remember, don't back up. Just sideways, side like this, okay? The hand is coming. Do it again, slow. See? Power. Okay? What number 2? You want to hold me here?
Yes.
Okay. One step. See? Forward. Same time. That way. Okay. Do it again. Same time. Push. Ready back? Now you're ready to attack. Okay? Again. One move to release it. Hit. Number 3. You're asking this one? Hold here. Go forward this way. Lock bring this down arm, lock, and then twist the body that way. And then your hand is controlling in my left hand because I lock it here. You cannot move. You're gonna move. Okay?
This will look better on camera from the other side.
Okay. Lock right on. Okay. Okay, here. This one here, you can move all the way. Step forward. Just put this one up. Put this down. It's totally out of control already, your opponent, okay? Okay, other side so that you can see it. Hold like that, locked. See? One move, but coordination with your hand. Okay? Start. It's locked.
Can I grab your collar?
Yeah. Here, right? This one, you can go forward, one hand, go all the way. One move, okay? Do it again. See? Hold the hand, twist it. Other side. Always remember, this hand always in the top. Go forward, lock all the way. Okay? Do it again. This will be in the top. Okay? Step, lock here. The elbow is the one controlling and your shoulder and your elbow. Are you gonna lean forward? When I push you there, okay? Yeah, like that. Okay? You just go sideways a bit. When I push like that, see? You're controlling me now, yeah. Now number 2, if I hold you here, that's right. Okay? We'll just go forward. Yeah. Number 2 again. Yeah. Do it again. More up. Okay, hold me again. See? Okay, more. Yes. That's number 2. Number 3. Yep. That's good. Okay, from here, go forward, lock, yep. Number 4. Yep. Again, forward. Yeah. Okay. Leg forward. This way. Bring it here. Yes. That's 1 to 5.